Okay, let me show you how we use Jira Service Management for internal support. We do need to use internal help desk to ensure that we are compliant, because we want to track all access changes, all new accounts, and so on. Whenever people start and they want to get access to something which they not provided originally, they will need to create internal support requests. As we see here, we have different service requests, more or less all of them are done. Then those requests, we have notification in Microsoft Teams internally, and it could be addressed. More or less, there is no difference between internal and external support, except potentially like about licensing and who can create accounts. So in this case, we restrict who can create accounts here. Only internal employees and contractors can jump into this link and create, let me show you, and create basically the support request for the internal needs, like mostly login accounts or application access and so on. So it's pretty much internal help desk. It helps us to track if people need account accesses, new equipment, and so on. There is not much else to add here, because it's pretty simple tracking tool. We don't have any issues here. Only internal people can access it, and we have the queue to track account changes and so on.